guys, welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and smash that subscribe button? It definitely helps members know when I'm posting videos. And before we get started, I'm not a medical doctor, don't make any medical claims. This is all based on my own personal journey, so please do your homework first before you get started and get permission from your doctor. Well, today I wanted to go over a topic that's been bothering me for a little while. Stay away from negative people and negative thoughts. Boy, to tell you, I can't stress that enough. About a couple of weeks ago there, I ran into that situation on Facebook there where somebody made a negative comment about one of my positive quotes, and it really sent me in a depression to where I came so close to deleting my Facebook page altogether and didn't want to have anything to do with my support group or my fan page, which I have like 3,000 followers on my Facebook support group, you know. So why let two people spoil your entire day? So as a result, from now on, if somebody has a negative comment, I'm just going to walk away. I'm not going to get in an argument anymore. On my social media page, if you decide to put a negative comment that I think is negative, I'm going to delete the comment or hide it. And if it's going to be a continuing practice, I will defriend you and block you. And if you're dealing with that situation on Facebook, do the same thing. And even family members sometimes, they don't always agree with me. But I still love my family and everything. But I'm not getting into argument over negative things. And by all means, don't be a policeman of somebody else's food. I get a lot of heat sometimes because, first of all, we're seniors and I'm living under a tight budget and I'm doing the best I can. I'm running out of money before the end of the month. Here it is mid month there, and I only got enough to live off of for the rest of the month until I can get another part-time job somewhere. So never have a problem with what somebody eats or how they fix their meals. Jess always said from Keto Rewind, you do you, and that's exactly what I do. I make meals according to what my wife and I can afford to budget out our money. If I have to go off plan and make regular spaghetti sauce, I will. I put a little sugar in it one time, but it was the low-carb sugar. That's perfectly fine for keto and it's spaghetti sauce, only because it was so acidic. I can't eat acidic until I found out later that you could put a carrot in, or a carrot shred a carrot up, put a carrot in spaghetti sauce to offset some of the acidic taste, because I have 10-alarm heartburn. That's why you don't see spicy foods on my YouTube channel. But please don't have any problem with what other people eat, and stay away from negative people. In the very beginning of my journey, when I first lost 20 pounds, I told some people that, and one of them made a comment on me. He said, well, what are you going to do, go out and celebrate by having a large pizza? And I said, no, I'm going to go out and celebrate by walking. Talk about somebody that puts you down, right? And then also the other day, one of my buddies there was saying, Ron, please don't put up any more food videos or whatever because you're making me hungry all the time. Well, if I'm making you hungry all the time, then don't watch it and don't look at my post. I got a YouTube channel that I'm building up a community of followers to help people to lose weight and to get healthy. 99.9% of the time, every one of my videos for food recipes are healthy video recipes. And if that bothers you, then don't watch them, right? And then the other thing about the whole thing is I'm making some videos the other day. I had somebody comment about one of my videos. Actually, two people. They said I couldn't hear you over the music you put on Facebook, on YouTube channel, on my videos, right? And I can hear my volume just fine. Just turn up the volume on your computer. That's all you have to do. I use headphones, and so, I'm 67 years old. I got partial blockage in one of my ears, and I can hear just fine. And I'm constantly getting that ringing there, that tinnitus thing, whatever they call it. So please don't have a problem with other people, and you do you. Now today is the first day of spring. I'm going out there for a nice walk today, and I went walking yesterday. I did a 3-mile walk yesterday. Felt really good when I came home. I'm coming off of a major surgery. I had total hip replacement back in January. Suffered a huge setback when I pulled the hamstring on my left thigh in the same hip area where I had surgery. I was down and out almost for 2 months, so I gained some weight. But I'm not going to let it bother me. But it did eat at me for a little while, but now that I'm back on the trail again to losing weight, I'm taking 1 pound off at a time. and one step at a time. So I would encourage each one of you to do the same thing. Just remember that when you're on a weight loss or any type of situation, it's a journey. Life is a journey. Life is an adventure. So be that as it said, I'll let you guys go. Remember, you guys are amazing. And if anybody hasn't told you this, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay vigilant. And yeah, bye.